This is the 49-inch Samsung OLED Odyssey G9 monitor, and it may be the widest monitor I have ever seen. But is it practical? In this video, we're gonna be covering the specs, testing some games on it, and seeing if this long boy is actually worth it. But I mean, Samson, is the Samsung G9 actually affordable? No. This puppy might be worth more than your PC itself, costing $2,200. But before you hesitate, let's go over the reasons why missing the next 2 months of your rent actually might be worth it. This 49-inch monitor's ultra-wide screen not only guarantees that a creeper won't ever sneak up on me again, but it also has a crispy OLED display. Now, a simple guide to why an OLED monitor is better than LED monitor comes down to 3 things: better color accuracy, less power usage, and overall better response times. But if those specs aren't enough to cut the family off their grocery budget, it's time to introduce some special features. Samsung has introduced a smart TV remote to help navigate all the different settings. Speaking of settings, if you want to get a little crazy, you can turn on the Infinity Core backlighting. Now, it's not super bright, but this is perfect for all my fellow Valorant players, seeing as you probably don't have windows in your room or generally any exposure to sunlight at all. But the best feature of them all has to be the ability to stack a ton of Google Chrome tabs all at once. Now, while all the specs and the features in the OLED G9 might sound absolutely amazing or completely useless, chances are that most of you wonderful people are gamers. So how does this hold up to gaming? From least demanding to highest demanding graphics, we have League of Legends, Minecraft, and Fortnite all ran on max settings. It may not be Cyberpunk, but my whole budget for this video went into this monitor. But right now, this game is actually looking really crisp. I ended up turning up all the graphics, max settings, shadows, things of that nature. With it being an OLED monitor, like we said earlier in the video, your blacks are gonna be extremely vibrant and dense. The color picture on this is amazing. My Ash is absolutely terrible at this game though. So as we can see, Minecraft looks absolutely spectacular on here. I did put a lot of the render settings up a little bit further, the distance, the graphics. I mean, there's not much to Minecraft as it is. Your point of view of width in this game, there is no way that any creeper is going to sneak up on me.
We got a #1 victory, Roy.
The most taxing on our system is Fortnite. We're gonna turn everything up to max settings, seeing how this goes. I was a little upset because we were going to test Valorant, which was my main game. Make sure to check the resolution because Valorant doesn't work on this. I can see the whole freaking island. One of the biggest differences from this OLED G9 compared to the Neo G9 is the curvature ratio. This one has an 1800 R curve compared to a 1000 R curve on the Neo G9. So this one isn't nearly as curved, which some people see some pros and cons where they want more curvature to the screen to give a more immersive feel. But the real test here is this monitor actually going to make me play Fortnite better? Okay. Final thoughts on gaming on the Odyssey G9 OLED. Absolutely amazing. It's crisp, high refresh rate, response time, amazing. It doesn't handle Valorant and the resolution there. So that's the unfortunate side, but overall, 9 out of 10 in my book. But is the OLED G9 monitor actually worth it? Honestly, the only way we can get to that verdict is taking it to the location where it's gonna be used. We have finally found a home for the G9 OLED monitor. It's here at the gaming room in my house, but final thoughts at $2,200, this monitor, that's a tough pill to swallow because in my opinion, you can get a high-end LG monitor, 27-inch OLED for $1,000 and it'll run all the games that you want, even Valorant. This was more of a want than a need. That's a wrap on the OLED G9 monitor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.